The mast step here on this old boat has been abused and marked up, and it looks like they've moved that aluminum step around a few different times. So some of the exposed wood has been filled with epoxy, and what I'm going to do is I've got some scrap composite decking laying around. I'm going to plane this down a little bit thinner, get rid of these ridges so that it's flat. Then this will be here, bolted through, and then that'll be on top. And it shouldn't need any maintenance, and I think when it's all gooped up it'll look okay. This boat was used hard. I've cut down the composite decking to match that length, and the next step will be to get the planer out and get rid of these ridges and thin this thing out a little bit. Just a couple minutes of planing, you can see all this dust that was kicked up. That's been thinned out. I'm just kind of eyeballing this. So we'll take it down, mark our holes, and go from there. And here we're all trimmed out. I left this side just a little bit thicker because this will go towards the front of the boat, and the top of that cabin just goes a little bit off to a little bit down on the right hand side. So this is just a hair longer. Over there we're pretty even across, and there you can see it much better. That's the thicker part, of course, towards the front of the boat. And the other side of this is the shrouds. Will need to be just a touch longer. I need to replace the rigging, but there should be enough extra adjustment in those turnbuckles. And I think that looks a little bit better. Need to line up the holes, drill them, and put that aluminum bracket back on. And that's the finished product. I think it looks better. It's not perfect, but it's much cleaner than it was before, and it's all nice and strong and appears to be watertight at this point. The inside worked out pretty well. The bolts had just enough length to neatly fit there, and then there'll be a compression post and all that other stuff through there. There we go. Thanks for watching. And this shows a little bit of a distance shot of that new plate right there, and then the bow pulpit that we did just yesterday, actually.